Here is how to create a dynamic text intro with a perspective effect in CapCut PC. Begin by adding your video and text layers to the timeline. Choose your font, position your text, and adjust text clip duration. To create the signature slanted look, right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Apply the Player 3 video effect to your text. Adjust the effects properties to get the right tilt and turn off any default animations. For extra polish, add effects like black flash for a flicker and a glow effect for intensity. Finally, animate the text by adding keyframes to its position and rotation properties for smooth movement.